my life. Your safety. Today. Well.
Right. Great idea. Now that's...
What did you just say?
Daughter.
Fucking thing you told me!
Oh, tiny prick. Ring. Fuck. Smiling freak.
I think I have.
Do it yourself.
Fucked! Breaking news tonight.
Get the fuck out of my building!
God.
Compilation, princess! Bring the lucky sinner!
A live broadcast.
Overlord, are we interrupting something?
Pleasant.
Bravo! The tension, the drama. Oh, what? No.
Hello, image.
Well, you pretty new yourself. How embarrassing.
I'm in charge here.
That's...
Looks like we got our fun. Sorry, Dad. This isn't a prank.
And make sure Val's there.
The Exorcist Army sacrificed his life to protect others. This no
Fucking wordplay? Seriously? Broadcast this, fucker! Three for the price of one. You've just been fucking canceled. I better make this shot count! You know what? Fuck hell! Fuck heaven! And fuck all of you! As long as I wipe that smile off Alistair's fucking face, I don't care what happens! Fuck! Fuck that! This is my moment! My fucking destiny! I'm a fucking god!
Has my approval rating.